What's up, guys? Today I'm actually going to talk about oil. Never really done a video on oil, but I see one of the opportunities of a lifetime in this industry. And yeah, it's not financial advice. Everything here is strictly my opinion. I don't have a crystal ball. And, you know, past performance is not an indicator of future performance. You gotta research, research, research. It's the work you put in behind the scenes, the work that goes unnoticed. That's what gives you an edge when you're trading or investing, especially for the long term. And I want to talk about oil because I think we got to think about this intuitively and then kind of look at it from outside in. Oil, I understand there's a lot of noise going on, there's no demand, the economy's at a halt. Saudi Arabia and Russia are, driving the price down, oversupplying with the supply, surplus. U.S. frackers have huge amounts of debt. They're likely to go underwater, but oil is probably one of the best investments you can make. And this year, I don't think we'll see prices this low ever again. Um, this pattern that's forming here, descending triangle, it's a multi-year pattern, and eventually it's going to break out. And usually, not descending triangle, descending wedge, sorry, but when this pattern breaks out, it's going to be very, very strong. So I think it's important to kind of understand intuitively how important oil is to the world. Because when I measure inflation, I think about oil prices. Why? Because oil is energy, it's transportation, it's everything we need for our economy to function. It runs on oil, whether we like it or not. Um, Everything in this world requires oil, whether directly or indirectly. You're drinking a water bottle, well, that was transported from the manufacturer to the distributor to the retail store, and that takes oil just to transport it. Farming equipment, the food that you eat, not only the transportation but the farm equipment just to keep it running. A lot of oil used for that too. Oil is a central part of life, and this pattern it's not gonna play out for a while, till at least 2022, 2023. We're not gonna see this pattern break out till minimum 2022. And if you're a big believer in inflation, hyperinflation, then you know oil's definitely something you want to look at to measure that, because as oil prices rise, usually you see interest rates rising, usually you see prices going up for all goods and services, almost all services. But oil really dictates the way the world's going. And if you're you know and if you believe that it's we're gonna have a inflationary period over the next couple years, um, I would say you're wrong. You're dead wrong, because I do believe that the end game is either inflation, hyperinflation, or revaluation in gold um, versus the dollar. But I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon, just because this price is still stabilizing, and it hasn't even it's still in a downtrend technically, although it's right at the bottom, and I think this is going to be a great buy for anyone who wants to get in. But that's really all for today. But just really ask yourself, like, how long will oil be this cheap? And we need it for everything, and regardless of deflation or not, once oil starts rising, I mean, we could hit stagflation. When this pattern reverses and eventually goes up to 150, 200, you're looking at a 7x move on, oil. I mean, it could take a while, but once these prices start rising, I think this is when inflation starts getting really crazy. So keep that in mind. Yeah, that's really all for today. Just really wanted to look here. I think we're setting up for the opportunity of a lifetime right here in oil. But we'll see, looking back how it goes. We could bounce up and then go down again to like 18, 19. But, if you're in it for the long haul, this is a fantastic investment. But anyways, guys, that's really it for today. Not sure what I'm gonna do next video, but it'll definitely be something interesting. Leave something in the comments if you guys want me to analyze a certain market. I just felt like oil, today it just so happened to hit a price I was looking at. I was like, if it ever hits this bottom line right here in this wedge, then I'm buying it. So yeah, you guys have a good one. See you next week. Stay safe. Coronavirus is it's very, very serious, and I don't think enough people take it seriously. So, wash your hands, quarantine, just try it. Think about like other people in your house, even if you know that a coronavirus won't necessarily affect you. Like, I'm a young guy. I'm not really too worried about coronavirus for myself, but everyone I'm around, I would be, which is why I take precautions, and I urge you all to do the same. Alright, but anyways, you guys have a good week, bless up, and see you next time.